Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili thicker. First, the simplest method is to simmer your chili uncovered. This allows excess liquid to evaporate, concentrating the flavors and thickening the sauce. Aim for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent anything from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Keep the heat at a gentle simmer to avoid scorching, ensuring a rich, thick consistency. Another effective way to thicken chili is by using a starch slurry. For example, combine 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of cold water, then whisk it until smooth. Slowly stir this mixture into your simmering chili. Continue to cook for about 2 minutes, allowing the starch to activate and thicken the sauce. You can also use flour or masa harina for similar results, adjusting amounts as needed. You can also thicken chili by adding certain ingredients. Mashing some of the beans directly into the pot is a fantastic natural method, adding creaminess without altering the flavor much. Crushed tortilla chips or corn chips can absorb excess liquid and contribute a subtle texture. Additionally, stirring in 1 or 2 tablespoons of tomato paste not only thickens the chili, but also deepens its savory flavor profile. For a really smooth, thick chili, try blending a small portion of it in a food processor, then stir it back into the main pot. This creates a rich, velvety texture. Adding a small amount of grated cheese towards the end can also contribute to a thicker, creamier consistency and enhance the flavor. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your perfectly thick chili.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.